Hello everyone, I'm Nancy, Pampered with Diamonds, and I'm excited to share with you my next year-long project. Well, it's not really a year-long, but it's the next project that I will be submitting for the Creations Moran year-long event. So my dog just had surgery on his tooth, and he had a bump removed from his back, and they called me every step of the way. They did not do anything without my permission first. They took care of him, brought him home in a sweater, not a cone. They have said they've changed that policy. They don't like to put dogs in cones because it makes the dog very uncomfortable, and the sweater is better. I made a rhyme. Did you see what I did there? I made a rhyme. Anyway, so they really did take good care of him. Our vet is called Friendship Veterinarian. They are in Fort Walton Beach, and they took great care of my pup. So I want to repay them with a diamond painting canvas of a dog. I know. And this one is a make market. I'm so excited for this one because when I looked at the box, I thought the background was going to be all black and dark, and I was thinking of ways I could cut the dog out and put him on a canvas. But I don't have to do that, guys, because you all know how I feel about dark colors. Well, actually, it's not dark at all. Let me show you the box. Okay. Here is the box, and here is the image on the box. And it looks that dark, not just through the camera. It looks that dark. So I was not looking forward to this. I was wondering what I was going to do with it. And I'm like, this would be a nice gift for the vet. So I'm going to do it for the vet. It is from Make Market. And you know how creative their names are. So this one is called, are you ready? Dog Painting. What? Dog Painting. Yep, that's the name of it. Make Market, Michael's, Make Market made by Michael's. Their names are very, very technical and unique. Not. So this is called Dog Painting. So it is what it is, right? So, and this is a 16 by 20. And let me show you this not dark canvas. I just can't believe it, guys. I really was expecting the background to all be black. But it's not. It's colorful. Look at this. Let me move the baggies out of the way and the wires. It's got 28 colors in this beauty. Look at her. Now all of this will come out as I pull the plastic back. So, yeah, I love it. I love it. And I don't know if it has special drills because I haven't opened the drills yet. So let me grab those. I'm going to turn this guy over. Pretty. Okay, here are the drills. Yes, so I said 21 colors. So let us make sure we have 21. This train is number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. I'm confused, guys. What? Oh, 28 colors. I know how to read numbers. I just learned yesterday, so it's a little questionable on my numbers yet. So I'm still learning. So 28. So let's look at these colors. And let me bring you down a little closer. There we go. And they're not real, there's no special drills. So you know what that means, don't ya? Yep. That means Nancy, Pampered with Diamonds. Like, comment, and subscribe. If you know, you know. What am I going to do because there's no special drills? Put it in the comments. Put in a laughing emoji. If you know, you know. So there are 3 bags of black in this kit. But the whole background's not black. Look at these pretty colors. Guys, I am so relieved that this is not going to be a real dark canvas. I'm just very happy about that because you know I don't like dark canvases. So, and Michael's drills, the black ones especially, my son's completed 2 projects from Make Market, and the black drills look beautiful on the canvas, and it makes it sparkle. He has completed the New York skyline and the solar system canvas. So go check out my short. I've done a short on the Make Market, those 2, and you will see how pretty these come out. So, what am I going to do? Pretty, they look very dark in the camera, but look at it this way. Well, let's see. The N is 14, and it looks like it's a neon orange. Why did I put them away? Guys, why did I put them away? N is 14. 14. Where are you, 14? So this color here, right in here and here and here, is going to be this yellow. Yellow is, yeah, it's close. It's between yellow and orange. This is an orange. And this is 13, and it's M. So M's are going to be here, here, and I might, here, I might put fairy dust in the white. Instead of this white, I might do the fairy dust for the white, or ABs. To put a twinkle in his eye, I'll put some ABs. Yeah. But I'm not gonna sparkle up his nose, but I think I'm gonna put a twinkle in his eye. And I think I'm gonna do fairy dust or ABs in the hair on the face of the dog. This guy is just gorgeous. And I'm very relieved that it's not a black background, because I was really thinking, could I cut out the dog and just put it on a canvas? Maybe go a little bit outside to frame in the puppy, but I don't think I'm going to do that. I think I'm going to leave him as charted for the most part. I mean, you know me. So on the camera, this doesn't look as bright as it does in person. Let me see if I bring the camera down. It's a little, yeah, that's better. See how bright that is? Very bright orange. So the N is 14, which is this color, and that's going to go in here. And then 13 is the M, and that's going to go here. Oh, she's going to look so pretty. We had a dog that was a terrier, which is what this looks like to me. And we used to call her Dirty Gertie because every time we gave her a bath, she would go outside and, yep, get dirty. She would go roll around in the yard and bring all the dirt back in. So that's why we called her Dirty Gertie, because she hated baths. Didn't like them. She didn't like them at all. So, let me see. I like Make Market canvases. They are so nice. Look, when you pull the plastic back, there's no ridges. Look at that. She's pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Make Market still sells this canvas. I have seen it. I've seen it in the clearance, and then it showed back up with the regular canvases again. So I don't know if the new one has newer colors in it, but I have seen it on clearance. I did get this one on clearance. I paid $7 for her. I'm calling her a her. So that is my plan. I'm going to bling up the hair in the face and the eye. And the rest is going to be just the plain white. So I answered the question of what I was asking you guys to put in the comments. Yep, you already know. You do know. You're not strangers to my channel, so you know what I have to do because there's no specials in it. So, yeah, I'm excited for this. This is going to be super fun to do. Super fun. It really is. Can't wait. But I'm going to take my time with it. I might just do a square or two a week because I've got other projects to do. You guys know I have a lot to do. So I figured this would be a good one just to do for that year-long event so I could take my time with it. Yep. So there's my puppy. My dog painting by Make Market, sold by Michaels. Okay, guys. Remember,